Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Rebecca, and here we talk about navigating a scent-free life in the scent-filled world. Now, I don't know what you do for makeup, but my allergist recommended that I not use cosmetics. I really don't like that idea because I'm thinking, I've got all these environmental factors, and then that's before you talk about the visual effects of going without makeup. So years ago, I did a lot of research looking for a DIY something for my face, and I found this recipe, if you can call it that, for a face powder that you can make at home. I've loved it, I've used it ever since, and I'd like to show it to you today. I've done a lot of research trying to go back and find that YouTube video, and I have yet to be able to find it, so I'm going to try to leave you a couple of other videos down in the description below. So give me just a minute to get set up, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here we go. We have bentonite clay powder. Now I know the front says baby powder, but on the back you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but it's just bentonite clay powder, that's it. This is the base for the face powder, and then you use other natural ingredients to color it. So I use just a wee bit of cocoa powder, because as you can see I have very light skin, and just a very small bit of turmeric. Now the original video that I saw for this, she also recommended beet powder. I haven't been able to find that in an economical form, and my skin color is so light, sometimes I can go just with the bentonite clay and be perfectly fine. So I haven't tried that, and I haven't included it in my mix. So this is how I mix it all together. This is just an average spice jar that you can get anywhere at the store. This is the kind that I use. I've got one just like it, but my actual powder is in my allergy safe zone and is going to stay there. So I'm just going to show you how I do this. So the first thing that I do, because I am on the lazy side, let's not call it lazy, we'll call it energy efficient side. So rather than mixing all of these ingredients in another bowl and then moving it from that bowl to my spice jar, I'm just going to mix it all in the spice jar, give it a very good shake, and then I'll be good to go. So I've got my bentonite clay here. Did I get it open? There we go. And I'm just going to put a bunch in there. And then I've got my turmeric, right? Now this, just a little bit, a little bit. So like that. I don't know if you could even see that, but that's how much it was. So for the cocoa powder, I'm going to be using a spoon because I truly need just the tiniest little bit. Can you see that? Just the tiniest little bit. In fact, that's probably, it is. It's too much. So I'm going to add some more bentonite clay. There we go. Put the top on. Put the lid on. And give it a very good shake. So then when I'm ready to use it, I can just pour it through that slot into the lid, and then dip my, you can't see that, but there's some in there. Dip my face brush in there and apply. It's super easy, super light, and I really like it. So just a few more things before we go. Although I love that face powder on my face, obviously it doesn't work too great on my eyebrows, and I have a couple of places I like to fill in, give my eyebrows some definition. And so I've spent what feels like 8 million years in the cosmetics aisle looking for something that works, and I have found this one. It is CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. So obviously before you just go out and buy something, know your allergens, read your labels, and stay safe. And yes, this is in a Zip-Top bag because it came out of my allergy safe zone and we'll be going back there when we're done. Allergy safe zones are a topic for another video, but for now just know that it's a place where I can just relax and not have to worry about my allergens. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave your tips in the comments below, and have a great day.